What's going on, family? Welcome back to the 876 Zone TV. It's me, Anisha, and today I have a really, well, would I say, no, well, one of my favorite song, them stills. I really like this song, so I hope you guys enjoy it as well. You know, it's Stylo G featuring Spice and Sean Paul, and it's Dumpling. Me no know, me just love that song. You gone to bed, so me just say me do something on that song. Cause me love this song. So without further ado, guys, we're gonna get straight into the video. So let's do this.
Bad man out and stunting. Kyle them tick like dumpling. Girl with big body jumping. Action, ready for the thumping, ready for the thumping, ready for the thumping.
Bad girl step out, I'm stunting. Queen, my ties them tick like pumpkin.
Because for some reason, me feel say I me Spice I talk about, you know, me show another video, yeah. Because me ties them tick too, you know. Me show another video. Yay! Hey!
Pam me big body jumping. My money tick like a caramel dumpling. Remix style of the vocal range. Black and beautiful, so me not play. Me no free and me no chat and me no eye gal. Me money make a gal a act suicidal. Gal fake like me weave them. Oh lord.
Yo, if a girl fake like my weave them, you know, man, you know, say that the girl don't know nothing about her, no fake plus tax rape, play tune.
She bad, me no believe them. Hey, rich, watch how me a beat them. Chanel, Fendi, me Louis V them. But there's female out there, tell them to confront. Location a change and the money me a on. First class up front, it a lip a gal a grunt. Me bank account fatter than my front. We all time.
Yo, Spice saying bank account fatter than in front. How much woman out the bank account fatter than in front? Yo, play tune.
I'm bad.
Stunting. Them gala say we sweet like pumpkin. True we Kyle them tick like dumpling. Kyle them tick like dumpling. Out and bad. Stunting. Them gala say we sweet like pumpkin. True we Kyle them tick like dumpling.
Pause. More another video, yeah. More another video there. Them a dance and a go on with beer things. More in there too. Play.
Kyle them tick like
Big bad
dumpling.
blazing and blunting. Make way for the big truck shunting. Steadily we boom boom hunting. Now no time for the one
A shot Paul says steadily we poop hunting. Play.
and all the gunting. Yeah, hear me mighty, I just funting. Run the girl them water like fountain. From them sitting it buff up like a mountain. Climb to the peak, no rerouting. Me love kinny girl and me love plumping. Anyone I wanna come give me something. And a day now week now monthing. Guarantee hear me I get the girl pumping.
Hey, bars. When me say the man a spit bars, the man a spit bars. The man say year and year, me a get the girl pumping. Boom, what? Play.
See then when the sound start jumping, girl them a flip it and a dip it and a run things. See then when the vibe get drunken, girl want see the color look and the dumpling. Bang bang bang.
We out and bad. Stunting. Them gala say we sweet like pumpkin. True we Kyle them tick like dumpling. Kyle them tick like dumpling. Out and bad. Stunting. Them gala say we sweet like pumpkin. True we Kyle them tick like dumpling. Kyle them tick like dumpling. Bad man out and stunting. Kyle them tick like dumpling.
Pause. But when me a go up Kyle tick like dumpling. Play.
Girl with big body jumping. Action ready for the thumping. Fresh like Portland, eh? Trophy just cast at the boatland, eh? Just calculate the total. Now the money make me get antisocial. Man straight like my pants them. Oh lord, cause they got the weed and the blem. Girl I come cross bring a friend. And them I feel like for me.
Me say, I don't see me a go. Me want in a video, you know, me want dance to you know, man. Sure. Play.
Friend them. Boom boom soon see that pull up the yang yang. Warnings, paint on, cheng cheng. We not too chatty big friend. Entourage when you see the text them. We out and bad. Stunting. Them gala say we sweet like pumpkin. True we Kyle them tick like dumpling. Kyle them tick like dumpling. Out and bad.
We out and bad. Stunting. Play.
Stunting. Them gala say we sweet like pumpkin. True we Kyle them tick like dumpling. Kyle them tick like dumpling.
This song bad. If me could have, hey, me wish me could have. Me need a blow touch with them bad song, you know, man. Shaman. So that's it, guys. That was Stylogy Dumpling featuring Spice, Sean Paul, and of course anything where Sean Paul go on it go shot. So like, comment, share, subscribe, guys. Support the thing. You don't know a thing go already. Mom life, Tug life. You see me? So thank you guys for joining me. I'll see you in the next video as usual. Once again, it's your girl Anisha, and I'm out.